Talent wins games, but teamwork and collective effort wins championships. These words, quoted by the legendary basketball player Michael Jordan, appeal and apply to both sportsmen and the scientists alike. The only difference being that the championship cup for us, researchers and scientists, is a sustainable future. I believe that we have taken another step in pooling our collective efforts to win us the championship by coming together for this workshop, ISET 2018. Honorable Chief Guest of this evening, esteemed guests of honor, directors of various NITs and other esteemed institutions, academic leaders, distinguished speakers from across the globe, valued scientists from DRDO labs, the organizing committee, deans, HODs, faculty, and officers of NIT Kurukshetra, delegates, press and media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. On behalf of the steering committee and the institute, it's a great privilege for me to welcome Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Honorable Member Niti Aayog, Government of India. I would say that one must be blessed from heavens to be such a rare blend of ingenuity, innovativeness, and a scientific vision that he is. A grand welcome, sir, to the inaugural ceremony of ISET 28. It's a matter of great pride for me to indeed a very hearty welcome to our guests of honor. Dr. S.K. Salwan, Chairman, AMRET, DRDO, and the former Vice Chancellor, ETU. Mr. V.K. Raizada, Executive Director of Indian Oil, Panipat Refinery, and Dr. Manjeet Singh, Director, TBRL, Chandigarh. Dr. Salwan has led 3 national research labs and a proud member and pioneer in Make in India campaign. Indian Oil has burgeoned prodigiously in the international and national hydrocarbon industry under the able captaincy of Mr. Raizada. Dr. Singh is a veteran in the fields of explosive systems and shock waves in the Indian defense scenario. I once again proudly welcome you all to this August ceremony. I take this moment to welcome the Director of NIT Kurukshetra, Dr. Satish Kumar, a legendary name in his field and a man of propulsion himself, perhaps the only director with a title of Padma Shri to grace this institute. Sir, a very hearty and cheerful welcome to you from us all. A very cordial welcome to Professor Manoj Arora, Director, Punjab Engineering College, former Director, CFIS, Dr. A.K. Kapoor, and distinguished scientists from DRDO labs to this ceremony. It feels great to see you all taking time out of your cumbersome schedules to grace this occasion. Welcome, sir. Without conceptualization and execution, vision is just another word for hallucination. These hauntingly accurate words were quoted by Mark Hurd, CEO at Oracle Corporation. We owe it to the organizing committee who identified the need of the hour and to move towards a sustainable, clean and green future, and conceiving the idea of calling our 4 experts under one roof to discuss the future. On behalf of the steering team, my privilege to extend a very warm welcome to the organizing committee, Dr. A.K. Gupta, Professor, University of Maryland, Dr. S.K. Agarwal, Emeritus Professor, University of Illinois, Dr. Akshay Unchal, President, ACR Incorporation, and Dr. Abhijit Koshari, Professor, IIT Kanpur, to this prestigious workshop. We built too many walls, but not enough bridges, complained Sir Isaac Newton once. In these times, when the world is keen on building walls, the scientific land has been strengthening the strongest of the walls, armed with noble vision for a better future. Bridging the gaps which were once being dilated by the intellectual ignorance. I take this opportunity to graciously welcome all the distinguished speakers who have transcended many of these metaphorical walls to be present here and cheers you to the quest to make this world a better place. Welcome, sirs. I would also like to welcome the deans, HODs, faculty, and the officers of NIT Kurukshetra to this landmark workshop in the field of sustainable energy, power, and propulsion. A very hearty welcome to all the delegates who have traveled from across different places to gratify their curiosity. I'm positive that you will turn out to be a bliss to this world, the oasis of hope in the desert of ignorance. Welcome to this workshop, and a big salute to your thirst for knowledge. Last but not the least, an amiable welcome to the press and media, who are the eyes and ears of the entire world. They have played, and I believe they will play a vital role in intensifying the outreach of this workshop. Lastly, I would like to extend a genuine welcome to each and everybody so present in this auditorium, and I hope you enjoy the scientific endeavor we are about to embark for the next 4 days to come. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.